This is what a chainsaw looks like with a dirt bike engine. This is a one-of-one item. This chain's moving at about 200 miles per hour at about 9,500 RPMs. Pound for pound, this thing is about 55 pounds, 55 horsepower. Rip it and go.
Bro, what?
When they walk back, they sing through the forest.
I'll never see a bigger bronze horse than this. Oh my God. I'll never see a bigger bronze horse than that. No fucking way.
Here's the motion of 1 hertz. That's what the subwoofer does. Trying to make wind with that kind of movement. 1 hit per second. See what it does at 2 hertz. That's what you're trying to make wind with. That 2 pushes. It's not a lot.